2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia marks a bold return of a beloved classic, blending retro styling with cutting-edge technology. Originally introduced in the mid-1950s, the Karmann Ghia became a cult favorite thanks to its sleek Italian design by Ghia and German engineering by Volkswagen. Decades after its production ended in 1974, Volkswagen has revived the iconic nameplate as a stylish, modern electric coupe that pays homage to its heritage while embracing the future. The 2025 model is not merely a nostalgic nod, but a serious contender in the premium electric Grand Tourer segment. From the first glance, the exterior of the 2025 Karmann Ghia captivates with its fusion of vintage flair and futuristic design cues. Volkswagen has retained the essence of the original, with curvy bodywork, a low-slung silhouette, and smooth lines that evoke the spirit of 1960s automotive design. The front fascia features a minimalist grille flanked by thin LED headlamps, subtly referencing the rounded headlights of its predecessor. A wide, flowing hood and gently sloped roofline lead to a short rear deck, culminating in an integrated light bar that stretches across the tailgate. Flush door handles, 20-inch aero wheels, and a two-tone paint scheme enhance its modern appeal while keeping the classic aesthetic intact. Available in heritage-inspired colors like Pacific Blue, Sunburst Orange, and Glacier White, the new Karmann Ghia is designed to turn heads and spark conversation. Performance is where the new Karmann Ghia steps firmly into the modern era. Built on Volkswagen's MEB platform, the same architecture that underpins the ID series, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is an all-electric vehicle offering a choice of rear-wheel drive or dual-motor all-wheel drive configurations. The standard model comes with a single electric motor delivering approximately 250 horsepower, which allows the coupe to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just under 6 seconds. The dual-motor performance version ups the ante to around 320 horsepower, shaving nearly a second off that time and adding a more dynamic driving feel with improved traction and torque vectoring. Battery range is competitive, with an estimated 300 miles on a full charge thanks to a 77 kilowatt battery pack. Volkswagen's fast-charging capabilities are included, allowing drivers to replenish up to 80% of the battery in about 30 minutes at DC fast-charging stations. The ride quality is refined, with adaptive suspension tuning that provides a comfortable cruise or a sportier response depending on driving mode. Regenerative braking is adjustable, offering both one-pedal driving and a more traditional feel. The Karmann Ghia's performance isn't just about numbers, it's about the harmony of speed, style, and silence. Inside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia merges classic inspiration with modern luxury. The cabin is driver-focused yet warm and inviting, featuring sustainable materials, soft-touch surfaces, and fine detailing. A wraparound dashboard with brushed metal accents and a floating 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center stack. The digital cockpit behind the steering wheel provides customizable information, from navigation to performance data, while an ambient lighting system adds to the upscale vibe. Seating is offered in both eco-leather and a new sustainable wool blend. Upholstery with heating, ventilation, and massage functions in the front row. Though the Karmann Ghia remains a 2+2 coupe, the rear seats are more practical than in many competitors, offering just enough room for short trips or additional cargo. Speaking of which, both a front trunk, frunk, and a traditional rear cargo area provide more utility than expected in a coupe of this size. Technology integration is a major selling point. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, as do a premium Harman Kardon sound system, voice control, over-the-air software updates, and advanced driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane centering, parking assist, and a 360-degree camera system ensure that the Karmann Ghia doesn't just look timeless, it feels like it belongs in the future. Pricing for the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia reflects its position as a premium offering within Volkswagen's lineup. The base model starts at around $49,000, while the dual motor performance trim begins near $58,000. Fully loaded models with all available packages and exclusive paint options can reach up to $65,000. While this places it above more mainstream electric vehicles, Volkswagen is clearly positioning the Karmann Ghia as a design-driven, limited production halo car that appeals to enthusiasts and early adopters alike. Given its design pedigree, electric performance, and technology-rich cabin, it offers a compelling package for those who appreciate automotive history and future-forward engineering. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a successful reimagining of a classic, striking a balance between nostalgic charm and modern innovation. It isn't just another electric coupe, it's a statement piece that honors Volkswagen's past while charting a new course for its design and performance language. The exterior design will delight purists and trendsetters alike, while the electric drivetrain ensures it's ready for tomorrow's roads. Inside, it's a showcase of comfort and technology, reflecting the evolving expectations of modern drivers. The return of the Karmann Ghia may have been unexpected, but its execution makes it one of the most exciting new entries in the electric vehicle space for 2025.